You ready for this?
Definitely. Always ready to dig into something new.
Awesome. So today we're talking about something that's pretty important to all of us, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Our immune systems.
Yeah.
Like how to make sure those defenses are really strong, especially when, everyone around you is coming down with something.
Ugh, yeah. I hate that.
And we're going to be pulling all our intel from this awesome article, Pasted Text.
Great source. Lots of good stuff in there.
Totally. And the best part is it's all about keeping things natural. No crazy diets or expensive supplements or anything like that. Just like smart everyday choices you can make.
Exactly. A lot of these tips are things we know we should be doing anyway.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But when you really connect them to your immune system, it kind of puts things in perspective,
Totally. Like when they were talking about sunlight and Pasted Text, I know getting some sun is good for you, but they were specifically talking about morning sunlight and how important the timing is.
Right. Because think about it. Morning sunlight's like the strongest, most direct kind of sunlight you're going to get.
Oh, that makes sense.
And that's when it's best at kicking off your body's vitamin D production.
Oh, so it's the vitamin D connection.
Yeah, and vitamin D isn't just about strong bones, It's a big player in how your immune system actually responds to stuff.
Yeah. I've never really made that connection.
It's like that morning sun is basically giving your immune cells a nice little wake-up call.
Okay, I like that. A wake-up call. Mm-hmm. I think we could all use that some mornings.
Definitely.
Okay, so another big one that Pasted Text was talking about was stress, like how to manage it, because apparently chronic stress, that can really do a number on your immune system.
Yeah, it's a big deal, because when you're stressed out, your body pumps out this hormone called cortisol.
Right.
A little bit of cortisol is fine. It keeps us on our toes and, helps us focus.
But too much is not good.
Exactly. If those cortisol levels stay high for too long, it's like it actually starts to suppress your immune cells. So basically, it's making your immune system less effective.
So like stressing about getting sick could actually make me more likely to get sick.
Kind of a vicious cycle, right?
Yeah.
So you got to find healthy ways to deal with the stress, whether that's meditation, some exercise, talking to a friend.
Going for a walk, baking a cake.
Baking a cake. There you go. Whatever works for you.
There you go. Mm-hmm. So we're moving on to food. Pasted Text talks about eating a balanced diet, obviously. Lots of fruits, lots of veggies.
Classic advice.
But why is it so important?
Well, it's about giving your immune system the right fuel, right?
Okay.
So those fruits and veggies, they're packed with antioxidants. And antioxidants protect your cells from damage.
Okay.
And then you've got fiber, which you find in whole grains.
Right.
That's crucial for a healthy gut microbiome.
Wait, hold on. Gut microbiome.
Yeah.
That's one of those words I hear a lot, but I don't really know what it means.
It's basically, think of it like all the bacteria that live in your gut. Trillions of them. They're like a little community down there.
Wow.
And they play a huge role in your immune system.
Really?
Yeah. Some specific types of bacteria, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, they actually help train your immune system to recognize the bad guys.
So it's not just what we're eating, it's what we're feeding those little guys in our gut.
You got it.
That's pretty amazing.
It is. And there are things called prebiotics. You find them in foods like garlic and onions. They basically act like food for these good bacteria.
So garlic and onions are good on two fronts, flavor and bacteria food.
Exactly.
Awesome. Okay, let's talk hydration. I know it's another one of those classic tips that we always hear. But Pasted Text really emphasized how important it is for a healthy immune system.
Think about it. Water, it's how your body transports everything. Nutrients, waste products, it's like the highway system for your immune system.
Okay, that is a good way to put it.
So if you're dehydrated, that highway system gets clogged up.
Makes sense. Everything slows down.
Exactly.
All right, so I think this next one might not be everyone's favorite, but Pasted Text also talked about exercise. Getting regular exercise is so important.
I know it can be tough to get motivated sometimes.
Oh, absolutely.
But it doesn't have to be some crazy, intense workout, right? Even just moderate exercise.
Like a brisk walk?
Totally. Or dancing. Anything that gets you moving.
So how does exercise actually boost your immune system?
Well, it helps your immune cells circulate better. They can get around your body more easily,
Oh, so they can get to where they're needed faster.
Exactly. So they're ready to fight off whatever comes their way.
So we covered a lot today. And honestly, it's pretty incredible how these everyday things that we're talking about can really impact your immune system.
It really is.
So if you had to pick like the top 3 takeaways for our listeners, what would they be?
Top 3. Okay, so number 1, prioritize sleep. get enough rest.
Definitely.
Number 2, manage that stress. Find what works for you, but make it a priority. And number 3, eat that balanced, colorful diet.
Fruits, veggies, whole grains. We know the drill.
Exactly.
Awesome. Okay, so for those of you listening, I want you to think about this. What's one small change that you can make today to help out your immune system? Could be getting outside for a few minutes in the morning sun, trying out a new stress-busting technique, or even just adding an extra serving of veggies to your dinner tonight. Remember, small changes can add up to big results.
I agree with all that.
Awesome. So thanks for listening, everyone. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.
See ya!